Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to replace the starter motor in a Toyota Avensis 2.0 D4D as well as other Toyotas since the process is very similar. First, we remove the plastic covers. Disconnect the battery terminals, first the negative, then the positive. Unscrew the battery hold-down bracket. Remove the battery. Unscrew the plastic engine cover. Unscrew the coolant expansion tank. Be careful, some coolant might spill out. Unscrew the power cable terminal from the starter and disconnect the electrical plug. To reach the two remaining bolts, it'll be much easier if you remove the metal battery tray. Unfortunately, the bolts holding it can snap off, just like they did in my case. The two remaining bolts are deeply hidden. Watch the video to see exactly where they are located. One is on the left, the other is on the right. After removing those two bolts, the starter is free and we can pull it out. Now you can see the old starter next to the new one. I bought an aftermarket replacement, so we'll see how it performs. Very important step. Before installing, count the gear teeth on both the old and new starter. The number has to match perfectly. Now, we install the new starter. Screw in the 2 hidden bolts from the right side. Plug in the electrical connector and bolt the power cable terminal onto the new starter. Screw the metal battery tray back into place. Put the battery back in and secure it with the metal hold-down bracket. Reinstall the coolant expansion tank. Reconnect the battery terminals. This time, first the positive, then the negative. Double check that everything is connected properly and make sure to clear all your tools from the engine bay. time to test it out. As you can see, the replacement was a success. The starter works perfectly, so we can mount the plastic engine cover and the rest of the covers back on. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please leave a sub.